in this demo, we'll see what happens on a cluster that has Kueue enabled, but Kueue becomes unavailable, and what are the effects on that. So we do have a cluster with Red Hat OpenShift installed. We do have a data science cluster installed as well, and Kueue is enabled here, and with the managed state, of course. Let's see what it means in terms of pods. So in the Red Hat ODS applications namespace, we do have a Kueue controller manager pod running, and I will just like scale down the deployment attached to this pod, and we should now have no more Kueue controller manager here being running. Okay, so let's install now a new operator, and we'll see the impact on having Kueue disabled. Let's install this one, for example, and have a look at the list of installed operators. And we will see that the GPU operator is not getting installed. Let's have a look at the logs. So in the OpenShift operator lifecycle manager, we do have the pods of OLM, and we will have a look at the catalog operator pod, see what's happening there. Okay, and what is interesting for us is that we do have an error related to a webhook that prevents jobs from being created. And in this case, when it was trying to unpack the bundle NVIDIA GPU operator, it was unable to create the associated job because we have a mutating webhook here preventing that. So let's explore the mutating webhook that we do have here. So there is like one mutating webhook which is called Kueue ValidatingWebhook configuration. And we also have its equivalent, but it is a validating webhook for Kueue as well. So what we will do to unlock the situation here, we'll have to go and identify these two webhooks. So the mjobkb.io and the other one is the vjobkb.io. And they don't have any namespace selector here. It means that every job in any namespace will have to pass through these webhooks to be able to be created in our case here. So we'll just like reframe that, and we will add some namespace selector here on a list of system namespaces. The most important one in our case here is the OpenShift marketplace namespace. This is where the job gets created because of this mutating webhook blocking it. So we will fix that right now by just adding this namespace selector. On all these namespaces, and we will repeat the same thing on the validating webhook. Okay, here the same. So what I will do is I will delete the pod, and here in the new pod we don't see the error message related to mjob or to vjob anymore. And yep, now it's happening. The NVIDIA GPU operator is being installed right now, and we don't have any error message here related to vjob or to mjob. This is what I have. Thank you.